Hi, this is John, and this is week 54 of Dot Dreams Devlog. So, this week was crazy. Matt flew back to Taiwan, and Dhruv came back from Texas as well. New York. Came back from New York. So, we actually got to record a lot of clips for the trailer. I'm really happy how it goes. I'll quickly go through what I've done, and I'm gonna just talk a little bit about what I want. And I think it's probably a little bit more intimate than it's supposed to be and different, but we'll see how it goes. It's very late right now. I just want to talk. Monday I worked on a lot of the Colossus areas, but mainly just finishing up cleaning up all the new maps and also going through all the maps for the new foregrounds. Also went through the some lighting as well, just updating every single light to this ambient light, and it seems to work pretty well. The only thing is I had to go through every single map, and it was quite a lot of work for some new foregrounds. The second day we also started working on this new title for NPCs, and I think it looks pretty good. You guys will be able to see Madeline's title, and we'll probably be using that for all the NPCs. I also then started working on a lot of stages for the trailer, so a lot of them won't actually be present for the demo, but I'm going to show you guys a couple clips, such as the Angel Colossus and all the way in the background while you guys are sitting on the side, and also which is my favorite one, Eduardo running through a burning house. Also worked on a new cursor, not sure how it's going to be used yet, but I do believe Dhruv wants it to appear only when you open the inventory. That being said, also the new angel descending animation is actually finished as well. Aside from that, also did a climb down animation, and that would be Wednesday. On Thursday, Dhruv finished the elevator. He actually started working really hard on that day. He also cleaned up the new UI, and at the same time, I think I met him at Starbucks. I also finished a new Colossus for a skin for the spiffs, and it looks pretty good. I think Dhruv's working on it to make it so it shoots laser beams. Not exactly sure how it is. And finally, I finished the desert for the trailer as well. There's actually quite a lot of clips I'm not showing yet because they deserve to be in the trailer, and you guys will have to wait till the trailer to see all the clips. I'm very, very happy with how they came out, and I'm excited to see what kind of music Matt will be making. I think now to get to the real topic of what I really want, or actually looking forward to, I think Eduardo seems to be very, very interesting for both Dhruv, me, and Matt. We have a lot more control and finally masteries over a craft that took us 7 years to perfect. So we don't want to really rush this, but there are times when you just think, is this just another project where you're going to fail and move on? I generally tend to keep all these kind of negative thoughts aside, because it really stops you from working hard. So I don't really think about it, but sometimes when I do, and I don't have an answer to it, so I just keep moving on and just kind of ignore it. I just thought I would try to think about it a little bit more, because we're at this point where it seems like this other professor who wants to do our second VR project is very, very enthusiastic about this big project that they want, and it seems to be paying pretty well. And I definitely, I'm not gonna lie, I definitely feel some of this tug from this other project. Immediate money, and you also get to work on something at your own pace, and you have almost full control. Just the topic is dictated by someone else, which isn't that bad for me. So I definitely feel the allure of something else. And then at the same time, Eduardo is going pretty well too. So I'm not sure how to think about it. I'm definitely still leaning towards our own stuff, because that is infinite, whereas commission work might end sometime, but it's just funny that kind of thought actually came up in my head, and I always thought myself to be a lot stronger in the willpower aspect, and maybe I'm not as strong as I think I am. Yeah, that's generally it. We worked really hard. I hope you guys will be able to see the trailer soon, and let me know Actually, let me know what you guys think about this situation. I know it's probably not that specific, but I'm really curious what you guys generally think about almost like this kind of quarter life crisis thing. I'm already past my quarter life, so good luck to me, right? Let me know what you guys think about it. And I had something on my mind, but I completely forgot about it, and I'm dead tired, so I think I'll stop here, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.